What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today in the shop we're detailing a Corvette Z06, and I'm going to show you how we dress low-profile tires on these high-performance vehicles. Now, if you own a high-performance vehicle like a BMW, a Mercedes, a Porsche, a Corvette, or any type of high-performance sports car, it's probably going to come with a low-profile tire just like this one. Now, this is the Michelin Pilot Sport. It's super low, and we want to show you how to dress the tire properly, because dressing low-profile tires is different than dressing a big truck tire. You want to use a different product. Now, a lot of people like to use spray dressings and spray it on, but when they spray it on the tire, they actually get overspray on the paint and they get it on the rim, and I don't want to mess up these beautiful carbon fiber wheels. So I'm going to show you how to dress the tires with our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. Now, Tire and Trim Shine is an awesome product for dressing all plastic, rubber, and vinyl trim, and it works great on low-profile tires. This is a thick cream formula, so where we put it on, it's going to stay and it's not going to drip. Now, another one of my tricks for detailing low-profile tires is the right applicator pad. Now, this is our low-profile tire applicator pad. It can dress standard tires like this, or you could turn it sideways and it dresses those low-profile tires. So let's show you guys how I dress tires just like a pro. Let's take our Tire and Trim Shine, shake it up, and then let's just put a few dots right on the applicator pad. I really like this tire shine because look, it sticks right there, it doesn't slide off. So now we're going to take it and I'm just going to put a little bit on the tire and we're going to rub it in. I really like this tire shine because it gives a nice natural finish. So it's not too shiny, it's not too dull, it's not greasy at all. And the owner of this car likes a natural finish. So this is going to give a nice deep black look to the tire. And these tires haven't been dressed in a long time. So they're really soaking up the tire shine. So what we want to do is we want to put a thick layer on, and we want to let it dry and sink into the tire. Now, the cool part about this low-profile tire pad is it gets right up on this little lip, right on the carbon fiber, without getting the carbon fiber dirty or sticky with the tire shine. I'm going to put a little bit more on. These tires actually have never been dressed, so we're putting them on. This is a 2023 car, and the owner has never tried tire shine on it, so we're going to give them a nice look and just set off the car with the best tire shine. And there we go. And if you notice, I was able to use the applicator pad and not get any on the carbon fiber. And now I just like to take a microfiber towel and just give a quick wipe around there. There we go. That way our tire's clean, our wheel's clean, and we have that beautiful black rubber that's really going to look good going down the road. Now, if you want to pick up the best tire shine for low-profile tires, pick up our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. It's going to give the look that you want, and it's going to give the protection that your car needs. Pick it up on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great at the best prices and free shipping over $99. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.
Evolution. This is the future.